If you're wondering how to buy shares of Norcod AS, this quick guide explains how to acquire NCOD.OL on Euronext. Norcod AS is a Norwegian seafood company focused on cod catching and processing, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as the example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. On the platform, use the search bar and type the ticker NCOD.OL to find Norcod AS. Confirm you select the listing that shows Euronext to make sure it's the correct stock. Open the asset page and review the company summary, sector information, and the price chart to check recent movement. Ensure the page clearly shows NCOD.OL and Euronext so you are looking at the right security. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you wish to purchase, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the platform may register a pending order, and if funds are insufficient, you will be prompted to add money before the purchase can be completed. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio overview so you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.